Well, fireplace is going, and I got a package from James. Okay, right here from package from James, Harshman Hills. Please check out his channel now. Okay. Just slice this sucker open. Remember, anybody who's flagging anybody, red flagging, if they survive, they're coming after you. And okay, let's see what James sent us. Now, don't worry, James. I made another stove. I'm getting sick of SpaghettiOs. I did holes in the directions. I'm going to send it off. Thankfully, I have another one of these. So I'm making sure it gets to you. You try feeding 20 people. Yeah, let's see what we got in the bag. And looks like a bunch of stuff. Okay, let's pop this open. Oops. Oh, this is nice, James. Let's see where I put that one. Got too much stuff on my desk sometimes. Or maybe I don't have it. Yeah, it's someplace around here. This is really nice, James. But I make my own. It's really nice. Thank you very much. Okay. I think this is a metal match. Let's see if it's dry. Yeah, it's dry. Because I think that's the reason why UPS blew up my package, because it smelled like volatile vapors. So don't worry, I'll get through. Yeah, let's see what else we got. Cool. Oh, I needed one of these. Perfect to go. I gotta figure out how, but not a problem with old Uncle Al. If Uncle Al has a problem, he'll figure it out and gut it. That'll work out fine. And glowing, I think this is, yeah, it's glow in the dark paracord. And from Colorado Bushcraft, we have, I know what's in here, that, what they call that? Char cloth, yeah. Let's see. I think this is a flint. No, this is it's a file for the flint. Sorry, this is the steel part. Oh, a good piece of char. I always needed that. Most of my char is smaller than this. And let's open this up. I need something to make this stand on real quick. See if Uncle Al remembers how to do this. Let's see. Yeah, I need something higher than that. Yep, not that high enough. Yeah, let's see. Let me get a book or two. Hold on. A little bit more. Another 3 books. Okay. And here's char cloth. Let's see if Uncle Al can still remember how to do this. I have my set. I just don't know where I put it. Now, you could put it chart cloth underneath here or above, and different parts of the world do it differently. So let's see if I can make a spark. Yeah, looks like I can't make a spark. Also, I'm going blind as a bat, too. Oops. Okay. I did make a spark. Unfortunately, I don't want to burn my office. And I think it's out. Oh, yeah. I can still make a spark. I just can't see it too well. Yeah, that makes a spark. We'll be fiddling around with this more often once I figure out how to get a good camera. Anyway, thank you, James. This is going to be helpful. I know I have a flint and steel kit someplace, but I don't remember where the heck I put it. Oh well. Also, I have one of those fire locks. James, you have to look at that up on Google. Maybe Google won't have it. The fire locks takes this part right here. It's made from an old brown Bess. Is it brown Bess? I think it's brown Bess. Fire lock or flintlock. And what you do is you cock it back. You put the char cloth in the little charge holder. Trust me, if you've seen a brown Bess flint activated thing, they throw out sparks you would not believe. Cock it, pull the trigger, boom, you have lit tinder. A lot easier. I think Boneyard could use something like that. Oh God, still burning. Yeah, bad thing about these, I got to keep track of it. I don't want to burn my office down. There, that's out. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. I got to get a better camera or a camera crew. I'm kind of a little blind and digging in the head. So I'll catch you later. Don't forget, get one of these for coming next year. Night, folks.